Sonoma County. So did you know that there is an option to sell an investment property and buy a new property with those funds and defer all of the potential tax penalties or payments in the process? It's real.
She's not lying.
But first, I'm Morgan.
And I'm Julie, and we help people move in and out and all around Sonoma County every year. So if you're thinking of buying or selling in 30, 60, 90 days or more, reach out. We'd love to chat with you, get a plan in place, and set you in the right direction.
So what is this process? This process is called a 1031 exchange, and it's called that because it's actually named after the 1031 tax code. This is kind of a tax loophole these days that allows you to take your investment in one property, whether personal or business. It can be single family, commercial, multifamily, land, as long as it's held for investment purposes. Sell that and transfer the funds to another property, all while deferring any tax payment and maintaining your equity that you've built. Not bad.
No, and many say this is the last tax loophole
that's
that
true.
the IRS offers anymore. So reasons people take advantage of the 1031 exchange is, of course, the obvious one is to defer the taxes. Selling an investment property, you can pay upwards of 40% of the value of the home in capital gains. So huge reason alone to do it. But it also can help you to consolidate or change up your real estate portfolio. You can actually exchange into different types of properties. Like Morgan was saying, you could sell a single family home and buy a commercial property or a multi-unit property. That can help you build your wealth, increase your increase your cash flow. Potentially grow your appreciation rates.
Right, absolutely. So how does this actually work? We're gonna keep it fairly high level, but this is the gist. You'll need a team, your realtor, of course, hi, we're here, and a 1031 intermediary service. We have great referrals here locally in Sonoma County to help you out. So once you have your team in place, we'll work with you to get your original property that you currently own ready to list, work you through the listing prep process, get professional photography, get it looking great, it's listed on market, lots of showings and activity, and boom, it's sold. Yay. The day that property is sold is day 0 of the process. You have up to 180 days to get this process complete. At day 0, when that property is sold, the proceeds of that property will be transferred to the 1031 intermediary service, and they will hold those funds until you've identified your replacement property and closed. Therefore, you are never touching the funds, and that's what helps you defer those tax payments. So from day 0, when you close on the property, you have 45 days to identify potential investment property purchases. And then you have up to 180 days to actually close on one of them. It's doable, we help all the time, and the process actually goes pretty smooth.
Yeah, so again, the benefits of utilizing this tax benefit is, as the seller, again, if you sell an investment property, you're looking at paying up to 40% of the value of your home in capital gains. But by just utilizing this 1031 tax exchange, you're going to keep full equity of that property and just simply transfer it to the new purchase.
Absolutely. So if you're thinking of selling, maybe you have an investment property that's not quite giving you the return it used to, or maybe in a lot of our area, a lot of homes have built up so much equity that maybe you can diversify and buy some more doors, build more opportunity for appreciation. So if you're thinking about selling an investment property and trying to figure out where to go with those funds next, reach out. We can talk 1031 exchange, see if that's a good fit for you. Keep the money that you've well earned, and we'll get you in contact with the 1031 intermediary service as well if you have any questions on their end with the tax code specifically.
Yep, we'll help you through the whole process. So go ahead and subscribe, like, ring the bell to be notified. We drop new videos every week all about real estate and Sonoma County.
Thanks for watching.